Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on inbox notifications on Wrike application. So how to turn on inbox notifications on Wrike application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Wrike app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Wrike app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the bottom right. Tap New Settings. Tap Push Notifications. And tap Inbox Notification. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on inbox notifications on Wrike application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.